No menses for 1 year, and do you think it's a sign of menopause? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು PCOD ಲಕ್ಷಣನೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. So I see a woman 29 years old who comes to me. This woman doesn't get menses for 10 months, 11 months, 12 months, and she is very happy about it. I say, ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. She again very happily asks me, why doctor? So I realize I need to educate her. So hey, hi, I am Dr. Indu Madhusudan, a fertility expert with an experience of more than 22 years. So now this patient, she actually has PCOD, a classical PCOD, and she holds my hand for next 1.5 years. ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಒಂದು ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಜರ್ನಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇವೆಂಚುಲಿ IVF ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಕನ್ಸೀವ್ಸ್. ಸೊ it is so rewarding for me when they reach this stage, and I feel very very grateful that I was a part of their journey of motherhood. So if this resonates, ನೀವು ಇದೇ ಥರದೊಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ you should not delay consulting a fertility expert. So thank you for watching. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದು.